Changing your subscription on Podia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you evade your plan successfully. Step 1. Log in. Access your Podia account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Access subscription details. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Subscription or Billing. Click on it to view your current subscription plan and options for changes. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Review the available subscription plans. Select the one that best fits your needs. You may see options for different features or pricing tiers. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your subscription will be updated. Check your email for confirmation and enjoy your new plan.